I made this donut pencil holder, and I'm going to show you guys how I made this. So it's pretty simple. I took a low temperature hot glue gun, but of course you can use any hot glue gun. And I took a yogurt thing, and I will go grab those supplies. And I don't know if I already said this, but these are erasers, so that's pretty cool. I'll tell you guys where I bought them. I'll be right back. All right, so I've got the erasers, and I've got the yogurt. So, first things first, you know, I forgot the hot glue gun, but a hot glue gun is a hot glue gun. You don't have to use any specific hot glue gun. And you don't have to use any other specific eraser too. You can use like little charms if you want to, but I couldn't find any little charms, so I just used these ones. So I actually have some that are left over. Like I have these, and I actually bought these at TJ Maxx. These are really cute little erasers. I'm gonna make a pattern out of them, so I'll show you guys the pattern. Let's make this pattern. So I want to do brown, white, and then this. So I'm gonna put it like this, and that's kind of the design I did when I made the when I made the donut eraser. So I've got the jar, and I've got the yogurt jar, which these are all very easy to get. These are French style yogurt. By Yoplait. You can find these probably at any grocery store or like any store, I guess. Maybe not clothing stores, but you know what I mean. So, now that you have this, oh yeah, that's what I put my thing up on. So, you don't have to use this jar. I mean, if you wanted to, you don't have to use the yogurt thing. You could use this. But I had this, and my grandfather has spray paint, and so he has all kinds of these because we give ours to him, and he'll do something really cool with them. So he spray painted some of these, and I didn't even know about this until I saw that jar, and I was like, wow, I should get something to put on it because it's kind of boring. But yeah, you just you take all the stickers off. You can paint this, but it won't come out like this. Like, I'll go grab one that's just painted. So this is what it looks like if you just paint it. Like, you can see my finger through it. Now, with this one, you can still see my finger through, but it's more painted, I guess. I mean, they're both really awesome, and however you do it is awesome, too. So that's basically all for this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed how you make this. I will do more videos like this if you guys want me to. So, bye-bye.